Morning.
Morning. I'm going to put my jacket on. But it's chucking it down.
So you're just hiding under a tree at the minute.
So,
supposed to be going over to Alderley Edge, but it's got a right old rain cloud coming over.
Right. Yeah, if it carries on too much, we're going to be turning back. That'll be our ride.
Fair weather riders, eh?
Yeah.
Fair weather riders.
It's so cushy at the moment. We're always in sunshine in that weekend.
Yeah, you just get put off by doing it. It's just don't want to.
Go inside me and do a turbo. You might do that.
Go on, Zwift. All Delhi.
A little bit of salmon.
It's alright.
Okay, look at that.
Pancakes, mate.
It looks alright today.
Yeah.
I do fancy that.
So how are you doing today then, mate?
Doing really well. I was leading deck all the way around.
Trying to get on the 19s, weren't you? 19 mile an hour.
I think I got about 15 at one point. They get 20 downhill.
Is it 24? Actually.
And we did get a headwind all the way around.
Yeah.
So on the way back, might go up to the 19s if the wind's behind us. So we'll see.
That's
We've got a big hill coming out of here, which got this one, massive hill.
You mean going up the Wizard?
Yeah.
The one that we normally come down?
Yeah. So he has done it before.
I'll just let you...
That's it, you know. I didn't realise that road led us to the Wizard.
Just leave you with that picture there. Let's have a look at the eggs, mate. Just give that a call.
Yeah. In fact, we were all watching Gordon Ramsay actually the other day, how to make
poached eggs. Do you know poached eggs are very much like how Paul and Paul was doing them popping on the tyres.
Oh yeah.
You know, it's you try and make a poached egg, mate. He goes, you whisk it like that, you put your egg in it, and it comes out and it's lovely, it's white, and it's just a little thing like that. Every time I try it, bits of white all over the place. It comes out like a right load of shit. It's actually technically one of the hardest things to do is a poached egg. I know it sounds daft, but the secret is very, very fresh eggs.
Yes, and a little bit of drop of vinegar.
Well, that don't work either, mate. Try it.
I've done it.
Have you?
Yeah.
Was there all bits of white all over the place?
Yeah.
There you go, there's a Schwalbe Pro ones. Tubeless Easy. I don't know if they were Tubeless Easy. Well, I got the rim tape on, they're alright. They're looking okay, aren't they, Kelly?
They're looking pretty good actually, I've got to admit.
If you feel them.
The bites on.
Compared to...
Yeah, compared to mine.
Aren't they just? So less air in them, but they feel great on the road. Not too spongy. They feel like that, probably like that, to be honest. It's alright. Well, apparently they're not very grippy to start off with, and that's why I was a bit hesitant today. I don't know what the plan would be with them afterwards, whether or not you change again when you went to get a new tyre. Swap that to the back.
Yeah.
Because it's got all liquid in it and everything. I think the idea also is that what you do is every 6 months or so, every 3 months, is you top these tyres up because the latex will dry out. So you put a little bit of latex in them every few months. So there you go. Nice education for Kelly there.
Yeah, that's it, you see. I'm still with the inner tube.
still with you, yeah. It's still on wooden wheels, mate, aren't you? Just going past the Hare Hill, which is a point of natural beauty over there. Saying to Mike before, I'm glad I put this winter kit on. It's got a bit cold. We did stop there a bit longer than what we should have done or planned to do, so perhaps they've gone a bit cooler. I don't know. Very pleasing, we're heading over there. So we're in Elemnt at the minute. It's dry as a bone around here. I don't think it's had any rain, but then again, it's quite warm-ish. Free, well rotted manure. Free, well rotted manure. Right, okay, leave that with you. As I said, Elemnt, Mott's Wrigley's that way, Higher Pointon that way. So a few hills that way, and not much this way, apart from Marple. Hey, did well there. Well done. Your chest all right? Mine's a bit. It's a bit sore.
Well, that was a good ride actually.
Did you push it?
Yeah, you did. Probably about 180 all the way round.
How did you go on with the up Marple?
Oh, didn't do so well actually at Marple.
Why?
Because I got about 7 miles an hour. Normally get a good 8 miles an hour.
7 miles an hour?
Well, probably at the max.
Did you see me?
I saw you at the bottom.
Did you see me at the top?
No.
Why?
Because you shot off by then.
What, you...
I went down to about 6.5.
Did you really?
Yeah, when I got about 3/4 of the way up.
3/4 of the way up, there's a wind behind us. I went up to 10 mile an hour.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, I got about 9.6 at one point, but then dropped it down to 6.
Right.
Too fast. Right, okay.
Put it there.